Hi, Barbara Friedberg here, former portfolio manager, university investments instructor, and owner of robo-advisor Pros. Today, we're going to talk about 5 of the best free robo-advisors. These are digital investment managers that have an option for you not to pay any management fees. We'll get into how they do that though. Because I don't know about you, but I can be suspicious when I hear something free because nobody is in business not to make any money. So let's get started. We'll be talking about, are they really free? And then we'll go through the 5 robo-advisors. Yes and no. A free robo-advisor literally means you won't pay any fees to the robo-advisor firm to manage your investments. Your investments will be rebalanced back to your preferred asset mix or asset allocation, and they'll be bought and sold for free without commissions. But investing is rarely 100% free, and robo-advisors still make money. Many of them have fee-based add-on services that you can pay for to get a higher level. They also have partnerships with banks and other institutions to add to their revenue. So here is my list, and just as an aside, I do have accounts at 2 of the free robo-advisors, M1 Finance and Schwab Intelligent Portfolios. M1 Finance is one of my favorites because their minimum investment amount is $100, and you can select from over 30 managed portfolio options from a variety of different styles and strategies. I personally have a dividend investing portfolio at M1 Finance, and I also have just a basic 60-40 stock bond portfolio. But M1 Finance will also allow you to buy and sell individual stocks and exchange-traded funds. And the feature that makes M1 Finance a robo-advisor is that they will rebalance your investments back to your preferred asset allocation. Now, if you want to get a little more from M1 Finance, they do offer margin. They offer M1 Plus, which gives you additional features. It opens up more trading windows and lower rates on their cash management account, higher interest rates. So you can explore that as well. SoFi Invest is pretty incredible. Their minimum investment amount is $1, and they do not charge for their robo-advisor. They offer access to financial consultants as well and career consultants. Now, in addition to the automated investing at SoFi, you can also participate in cryptocurrency investing, stock bits, which enables you to buy and sell individual stocks or partial shares of stocks, similar to Robinhood and M1 Finance. The active investing allows you to buy and sell stocks and exchange-traded funds, and SoFi also offers 4 ETFs that they have created for you. One is the 500, then the SoFi Next is looking at emerging technologies, SoFi 50, and the SoFi Gig Economy. So check those out. I've also got a link to review in the show notes. Now, Wealthfront charges 0.25 investment management, but if you sign up through my link, you will get your first $5,000 managed for free. I'm kind of loving Wealthfront now, and I'll tell you why. Because in addition to the managed portfolios that they offer after you take a quick interview and discuss your financial situation, how old you are, how much risk you think you're comfortable with, they'll give you an automated portfolio made up of stocks and bonds, which they will rebalance according to their model. I believe they do have a very frequent rebalancing. That'll keep the volatility lower in your investment portfolio. But the things that Wealthfront has just come up with, which I think are genius, are access to over 100 exchange-traded funds that you can add to your already managed portfolios, or you can create your own portfolio and have Wealthfront manage it for you. This is quite similar to M1 Finance. But Wealthfront has also provided access to the grayscale Bitcoin funds. These are typically only available to very, very wealthy investors. So if you want to get in on Bitcoin, but you don't want to, or Ethereum, but you don't want to buy the individual coins, you can invest in the grayscale funds through your Wealthfront account. As I said, $5,000 managed for free. After that, you will pay a very low fee of 0.25% of the money that you have invested with the company. That works out to be like a quarter for $100. Very, very low. Ally Cash Enhanced Managed Portfolios has a caveat if you want free investment management. They require that you hold 30% of your portfolio in cash in order to get free investment management. I personally believe that's a little high, a high trade-off for free investment management. So if you want to invest less cash and more in stock and bond funds, then you will pay their management fee, which is relatively low as well. Ally also offers socially responsible income funds and tax optimized. They are part of the Ally Bank, which does obviously have loans, cash accounts, and a lot of other very nice features. Now, Schwab Intelligent Portfolios, I have my business simple IRA with them as well. I use the basic portfolio, which has zero management fees. How they get around it is Schwab also requires that you're comfortable with a certain percentage of cash in your account. But Schwab's cash amount is typically 8 to 10%. I can live with that. A lot of people don't like that, though, because it means there's less money that is going into the investment markets. And as we all know today, your cash investments are not earning much money. But that said, your stock and bond investments don't always go up. So holding a little bit of cash is going to provide a cushion at that time that your investments, your stock and bond investments fall. The free features are really nicely diversified portfolio. They have over 15 different exchange traded funds. And you do get a gold ETF in the portfolio, which I think is interesting. It's only 1%, so it's not a huge deal. Another thing I do like about Schwab is if you live in a major city, you can step into a branch and speak to a real life person. So as a wrap up, if you're really super fee conscious and you're looking for robo-advisors that do not charge management fees, you have several that are very well regarded that you can choose from. In the comments and the description below, I will have a link to this article. You'll get links to the full reviews of the robo-advisors that we've discussed today. Some of these links to the direct platforms of the robo-advisors, although not all of them, will be affiliate links, which means I might get a small commission to help fund this channel if you do sign up. There'll also be some other related resources in the description below, including a link to our robo-advisor quiz. So if you like this review, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. See you next time. Bye.